Let's try solving this question on momentum. Very, very interesting one, which is a ball of mass 2 kg moves with a speed of 15 meters per second and collides with another stationary ball of mass 1.5 kilograms. If the two stick together after collision, calculate their common velocity. So how do we go about solving this question? First of all, let's try to see if we can get some visual representation of the question to make solving it quite easy for us. So what do we have? We have two masses. The first one is 2 kilograms. And it is moving with a velocity of 15 meters per second. So this moving object of mass 2 kilograms collides with another object which is only 1.5 kilograms. But this particular one is stationary. That means the velocity is 0 meters per second. It's not moving 0 meters per second. So for easy identification, let's label this first mass as M1 and this one as M2. We have to calculate their common velocity after collision. But what we found out was that this first object hits the second one and they stuck together. So this is 2 kilograms hitting the 1.5 kilograms. And they now move together with a common velocity. We label that common velocity as V. So what is this common velocity that we are finding? In order to find this, we first have to find the total momentum of the individual objects before they collided. So let's find momentum before collision. So the total momentum before collision will be the momentum of M1 and the momentum of M2. So momentum before collision. So momentum before collision will be the momentum of M1. And momentum is mass times velocity. So mass times velocity is the formula for momentum. So what's the momentum of the first object, M1? That is the mass, which is 2 kilograms, times the velocity, 15 meters per second. So that's the momentum of M1 plus the momentum of the second object, the mass, which is 1.5 kilograms, times the velocity, 0 meters per second. So 2 times 15 gives us 30 kilogram meters per second. And this gives us 1.5 times 0 gives us 0 kilogram meters per second. So that means momentum before collision will be 30 plus 0. So the total momentum before collision is 30 kilogram meters per second. So that's what we have. What about the momentum after collision? The momentum after collision will be the total mass times the velocity. And the total mass will be 2 kilograms plus the 1.5 kilograms. So that will be the total mass times the velocity. And the velocity is V, which we actually do not know what it is. That's what we are solving for. So 2 kilograms plus 1.5 kilograms will give us 3.5. So 3.5 V. So this will be the total momentum after collision. But how do we know about conservation of momentum? Basically, what we know about it is momentum before collision is always equal to momentum after collision. So if that's the case, that means we have this to be 30 kilogram meter per second, which is momentum before collision, should be equal to momentum after collision, which is 3.5 V. And in order to solve for V, we have to divide by 3.5. So in dividing by 3.5, what do we have? We have V to be 30 divided by 3.5. And that gives us 8.57. 8.57 meters per second. So this is the value for V, the common velocity of the two objects after they collided.